My name is Hannah Hoppen and I'm from Germany. I studied aerospace engineering here in Hatfield, and about a year ago I came to Hatfield as an Erasmus student, studying in Hamburg previously and studying in Hamburg right now. And I wasn't intended to do any degree here in Hatfield, but as I got the opportunity to start in the third year and the opportunity to do the Bachelor of Engineering degree here, well, I'm now here. I'm happy that I studied in Hatfield. I liked the atmosphere with the lecturers. I think it was quite friendly and open, and everybody was willing to help me, even if I had problems with my English. I don't think that it was a big problem because they helped me, they supported me, the students as well as the lecturer, and I really liked the facilities like the big LRC, all the computers we could use and all the computer programs, and especially as an aerospace engineer I like the wind tunnel in Hatfield. So come to Hatfield and study here, it's a great opportunity.